Today, we would like to present our research about the effect of overthinking on student concentration and exam result. Before presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Azam Wasita.
My name is Alia Kerasafa.
My name is Talita Wamira.
Overthinking is a common problem experienced by many students, especially before exams. Students often feel worried, anxious, and think about the possibility of failure. This condition can affect their focus and confidence. Therefore, this study aims to find out how overthinking affects students' concentration and exam performance. The purpose of this study is to examine the effect of overthinking on students' concentration and performance during exams. The research focused on students of SMA Negeri 50 Jakarta and tries to understand their thoughts and feelings before and during exams.
Next, I would like explain about the research method. This study uses a quantitative descriptive method. The purpose of this research is to find out the effect of overthinking on student concentration and exam results. The data was collected by using a questionnaire as the main research instrument. This questionnaire was distributed to 55 students at 50 senior high school in Jakarta from grade 10, 11, and 12. The questions focus on students' thoughts, feelings, confidence, concentration, and experience before and during the exam. The data from the questionnaire was analyzed descriptively to understand how overthinking affects students during exams. The results were grouped based on students' response, such as feeling worried, losing confidence, having difficulty concentrating, and feeling panic during exam. However, this data cannot fully represent all students at 50 senior high school in Jakarta because the number of respondents is still less than half of the total student population. Therefore, the results of this study cannot be generalized or fully published as representing all students at 50 senior high school in Jakarta.
Alright, I will explain the result of our research. In the first part, I will talk about the level of overthinking and its emotional and mental impact. Based on our research, many students experience overthinking before exam. As you can see in our questionnaire result, most students think about failing, feel anxious, lose confidence, and panic when they face difficult questions. Because of this, they find it hard to focus. This shows that overthinking affects students not only emotionally, but also their concentration during exam. After explaining the impact of overthinking on students' mental condition, I will now move to the second part, which is about students' study behavior and academic performance. In this part, the results show that many students start studying only 1 or 2 days before the exam and feel only quite prepared. Even though many the students get good score, many than half feel that their results are not as good as they expect. Most students also agree that overthinking affects their performance. This means that overthinking is connected to students' study habits and can influence their exam results.
In conclusion, the results of this study how the overthinking affects student concentration and exam result at 50 senior high school in Jakarta. Many students thought that they often feel worried, less confident, and find it difficult to focus during exam. Some students also panic when they see difficult questions or think too much about feeling. This condition and can affect student concentration and make their exam performance less optimal.
Therefore, students should try to think more positively and stay calm before exams. In addition, teachers, parents, and friends should so give support and motivation to help students feel more confident and comfortable during exam. With good support and preparation, students can reduce overthinking and perform better in their exams.
So, that's all about our presentation. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.